Guardian garage door opener remotes often experience issues like low battery, reduced range, and sync problems. The most common fix is replacing the coin cell battery, typically a CR2032. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. It's often secured by a screw or clip. Use a small screwdriver or coin to gently pry the compartment open. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the compartment by closing and securing it. Test the remote from 20 to 30 feet away. If the LED is dim or unresponsive, the battery may be faulty or incorrectly installed. This resolves most low battery issues, accounting for about 40% of problems. If battery replacement doesn't resolve the issue, range or sync problems are likely the cause. Range problems often stem from wireless interference or obstructions. To fix range issues, reprogram the remote by pressing the Learn button on the opener motor in the garage, then pressing the remote button within 30 seconds. Test the range in an open area. Obstructions or interference can reduce range by up to 20%. For sync problems, which often occur after a power outage or battery change, clear the opener's memory by holding the Learn button for 10 to 20 seconds until the light stops blinking. Then repair the remote as before. Modern Guardian systems use rolling code technology for security, which requires resyncing after resets. If problems persist, consider upgraded rechargeable batteries or contact Guardian support at 1-800-929-3667.